Okay, here the problem of this I'm having right now is the belt of my machine seems to be pulling off this belt right now. Anytime I try to sew with it just pull off. It doesn't even allow me to make any stitch. As you can see now, it just pull off as soon as I just try pedaling it. Sometimes it usually takes a while before it pulls off, but right now it doesn't even take that much. As soon as I pedal it, it just pull off. Now the problem is coming from here. Now I need to align this wheel cover to correspond with the wheel. It's the wheel cover that is pulling the cord off. So in case you're having this same problem, you're going to try it from here first. So you're going to set this wheel cover now properly so to stop pulling off the cord. This wheel cover now just shifted from its position. That's why it's removing the cord. Now just come over here, you get a spanner. Now you're losing the wheel cover from here. Just screw it upward. Okay, if you want to lose it upward, you lose it from. Now the spanner here is 13. Some have 13, some is 12. So the one I'm using is 13. Size of the spanner. So now you just push the wheel over here. Now this is the right position. It stays. You understand? This is how it was. So you just push it to this extent. That's the proper position. So you just tighten it up. So with it like this now, it will stop pulling off the cord when I'm trying to sew. So let's try it out again and see if it's working now. As you can see, the cord is no longer pulling off. So that's one way to solve this issue, as the fault can come from different angles. So this is just one way. Another way to solve this issue might not be this cover here now. You understand? This cover now might not be, it's not only the cause of this belt pulling off. Sometimes it will be correct like this, but sometimes you find that the cord is pulling off. Now you have to come down to the board now, this board here. So in case you check your wheel cover and it's straight, now it means that the board is not corresponding with this belt. You understand? The board, whoever that fixed it for you didn't fix it right, so the board is not straight. So you need to look the belt from the up down to the down to see if the belt is really straight. If it's not straight, you need to lose the 4 nuts, the 4 screw that ties this board now together. You need to lose it off, and then you adjust the board so the cord will be very straight. That's how you fix it.